how to see student paid fees details, and also how to take print. Okay, open your browser. Okay, this is a login page. Login. This is a dashboard. Okay, enter student admission number, for example 60. Okay, now I will see this student fees paid details. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, see here paid details. Okay, of the nursery class. Okay, this is a LKG class. Now I will see nursery class paid details. Click this button. Okay, this is a paid details. Okay, and also I want a print. Okay, click this button. Downloaded. Okay, open. Okay, open. Yes, this is a printout. Okay, you want a table format, then drag and drop. Okay, this is a printout.